How to turn on Miniplayer on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enable Miniplayer on YouTube. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Sign into your account. Now, you want to search for the video that you want to play. You can use the search bar over here to do so. After you have found the video, click on that. Now, once the video has been opened, here at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the one that says Mini Player. Once you click on this, you can see that the Mini Player now has been enabled. With the Mini Player, you can continue to watch videos, including playlists and live streams, while you browse YouTube. Now, you can also pause the video from here or play the next video if you want. If you no longer want the video to be played in Mini Player, you can click on this cross icon. One thing that you have to remember is that video made for kids cannot be played in Miniplayer. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.